Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on our break. We got box 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 9 left. So I gotta roll one of those numbers with the dice to see which box we're gonna open up. Box 9. You can see that, right? Knowles. Box 9. Alright, cool. Get that out the way. Alright, so we got box 9 here. I'm going to go over the list of who has what teams. Let's see if I get this to focus over here. We got David H. with the Niners. We got Matthew B. with the Bears. The Bengals, Bills, and Broncos are unclaimed. And then we got Matthew N. with the Browns. Anthony O. Buccaneers. Cardinals are unclaimed. David L. Chargers. Chiefs unclaimed. We got Matthew B. with the Colts. Cowboys unclaimed. David H. with the Dolphins and Eagles. And then we got the Falcons are unclaimed. Jesse W. with the Giants. Anthony O. Jaguars. Jets are unclaimed. Christopher N. has the Lions. The Packers are unclaimed. Josh L. has the Panthers. Oops, let me move this way. David L. has the Patriots. Tanya B. has the Raiders. Leroy P. has the Ravens. David H. has the Redskins. Anthony O. has the Saints. And then Evan J. has the Steelers, and then the Seahawks, Texans, and Titans are unclaimed also. So those are what people have, what teams. I'll go ahead and get ready to crack this open for you guys. Good luck, everybody that's in on this break. Hopefully we got a nice hit in here. Alright, I'm going to move this other camera real quick, give you guys a better view of what's going on over here. So we got 4 autographs and one relic card. There we go. Most everything. Alright, well again, good luck to everybody that's in on this break, and I'm going to get started ripping these open. Yeah, turn that way a little bit. So we got Aaron Murray, just a base rookie. Austin Zephyrin Jenkins, a base rookie. Isaiah Crowell, a base rookie. Devin Street for the Cowboys, base rookie. Jimmy Garoppolo, base. Odell Beckham Jr., base. Brian Grant, base rookie. Alfred Blue, base rookie. And now we're on to the black ones. We got Lewis Nix, the black rookie. We got Jeff Matthews, the black rookie. Hold on a second, my laptop's dying. We got Jeff Matthews, the black rookie card. Parallel. Then we got Bridgewater for the Vikings. out of, there you go, hold on. Right there. It's out of 199. I don't know if I can get it to focus. Yeah. It's 199 actually. It's a 199 out of 199. That's pretty cool. That's for the Vikings. The Vikings are unclaimed right now. Then we got another a black parallel of Green Bay Packers rookie Jared Aberdeus. Then we got a Le'Veon Bell base card, Zach Stacy, Matt Ryan, Peyton Manning, Clay Matthews, Deion Jordan, Matt Forte. Oh, looks like we got a insert here. Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. Nobody has the Packers. A little die cut insert for them. And then we have Tennessee Titans, Zach Mettenberger, the foil blue parallel out of 499 for the Titans. That the Titans were unclaimed. We got a next in line, Mike Wallace. This is a foil parallel, a black one. And we got a mini, which is Jeremy Hill for the Bengals. They were unclaimed. That's a Jeremy Hill mini there. And then we got a Jordy Nelson and Cecil Shorts, the black base cards. Let's see what we got here. We have Aaron Colvin, rookie. Sammy Watkins, Dante Moncrief, Kareem Martin, rookie. Logan Thomas, Aaron Donald, Dre Archer, Brandon Cooks. And we got the black parallels of Brian Renner, Adrian Hubbard, Jalen Saunders, Jarvis Landry. Then we got some regular, the white base cards. That'd be Patrick Peterson, Ray Rice, Kenny Stills, Brandon Marshall, Jimmy Graham, Stephen Ridley, Chris Johnson, Victor Cruz. We have a next in line, Anthony Barr, which is the black foil rookie. Then we have a, that's an ice, I believe, Ray Rice ice. Yeah, refresh your page if you can't hear me. Hold on a second. Are we good now? All right, cool. Sorry about that. So the Ray Rice was where I had stopped, and then it was we had a mini. It looks like it's a quarterback here. It's AJ McCarron for the Bengals, the mini rookie card. Then we had a Le'Veon Bell and a Zach Stacy. Just the regular black cards, not the foil.
Here's a great gift idea for the whole family. Now with Walmart credit card special financing.
In a world filled with ultra-high definition picture, the Vizio 4K Ultra HD TV will rise.
It works great with Vizio's 2.1 sound stand.
Where room-filling theater sound and ultra-high def collide.
You know what? You can stop with the over-dramatic movie trailer voice now.
And this time, it's personal.
And now get special financing when you use your Walmart credit card. More ways to Christmas joy. Walmart.
There we go. All right. So here up we have Brandon Coleman, Marquise Lee, Jason Morrow for the Jets, Antonio Richardson, Josh Huff, Blake Bortles, Trent Murphy, Anthony Barr. And we got some black rookie parallels. We have Kyle Van Noy, Bradley Roby, Dominic Easley, and Gabe Jackson. And we got some, oh, wow, couldn't even, sorry about that. We got Crabtree, Lamar Miller, Doug Martin, Ryan Tannehill, Drew Brees. Looks like we got a relic card here. Oh, it's going to the Colts, Matthew B. We got Andrew Luck. Wow. Not much, not too special here, but that's probably the best jersey card from a player I've seen in here. That's the Colts. That goes to Matthew. Yeah, Matthew B had the Colts. Let me get this in a case for you, real quick. Soft sleeve. Here. And then we had another next in line for the Dolphins, a Lamar Miller, which is just a black base card. Then we had the Michael Crabtree, so another just black base card. And this was backwards, which is Michael Sam mini for the Rams. Then we got a Victor Cruz foil, and then Coney Ely rookie foil. No hits, no big hits yet. We had the Luck though. That's pretty nice right there. Anything of Luck is nice, of course. He's the man. Didn't have that good of a game this week, but he's still the man. We got a Rajon Neal for the Packers. Cody Hoffman, Trey Mason, DeAnthony Thomas, Zach Mettenberger, Cyril Richardson, Trey Millard, Jadeveon Clowney. We got a black non-foil, just a regular black Khalil Mack. We got a regular black non-foil of Jake Matthews. Then we got the same thing of A.J. McCarron and George Atkins III. Then we got the base cards. We have a Julius Thomas, A.J. Green, Kendall Wright, Andre Johnson, Cordero Patterson, Maurice Jones-Drew, Reggie Bush. And we have a die cut for the Jets of Geno Smith. Nobody had the Jets. We got Arthur Lynch, which is just a foil rookie. Then we have a Ryan Matthews, which is a foil base. And then we have the mini here, who is Coney Ely again for the Panthers. Just a little mini card. Then we have the last two base of Deion Jordan and Clay Matthews. Alright, up next. Hopefully we got a first autograph hit in here. We got Lachey Seastrunk, Jordan Matthews, Robert Heron, David Fales, Carlos Hyde, Andre Williams, Rashid Hageman, C.J. Mosley, Deion Buchanan, that's a black parallel Allen Hurns, Ahmad Dixon, Jake Matthews. And then we got the regular old white base cards. We got Foster, Bernard, RG3, Kiko Alonso, Honey Badger, EJ Manuel, Cam Newton, Richard Sherman. Then we got a ice, that's the ice parallel of Lewis Nix for the Texans. It's not numbered. You know, put that right there. And then we got a Terrell Suggs next in line, which is the black foil. And we got a Dominic Easley again, New England Patriots mini. Then we got a Forte and a CJ Spiller, which were black parallel base cards, not numbered. Few more packs here. We got all the autographs left, so hopefully they're all something nice. Maybe it'll be like a little hot box or something. That'd be cool. We got Ladarius Perkins, base rookie. Taj Boyd, base rookie. Arthur Lynch, Coney Ely, Anthony Johnson, Connor Shaw, Darquise Denard, Jeremy Hill. Now we got some black parallels. We got black parallel Charles Sims rookie, Jerome Smith rookie, LaMarcus Joyner rookie. All right, here we go. We got a numbered green parallel of Andre Hubbard, which is out of 99. I don't know if it was gonna focus up there. Oh, yeah. My camera don't want to focus it, but that's Green Bay Packers. It's out of 99. The Packers were unclaimed. We got a Tamba Hali, DeMarcus Ware, Darrell Revis, Denard Robinson, that's Shoelace, Rob Gronkowski, Julio Jones, Aaron Dobson. Nope. We got another die cut card for Kansas City Chiefs, which were also unclaimed. It's Jamal Charles, little die cut card. Then we have the next in line, Xavier Grimble, tight end for New York. Red foil out of 199. Jesse W. had the Giants, so that'd be getting sent out to you, Jesse. Chris Johnson is the black foil. And then we have a number 25, who is Silas Reed. He got drafted by the Redskins. That's another mini. Then we got a Doug Martin and a Ryan Tannehill. Just a regular old black card, not numbered. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 packs left, and it should be autographed in each pack. So hopefully these are all nice. Alright, here we go. Should be the first autograph hit. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully we got something big. We got Greg Robinson, base. Eric Ebron, base rookie. Tommy Reese, base rookie. James White, base rookie. We got a Stephen Morris, base rookie. Johnny Manziel. Too bad that wasn't the autograph card. We got Johnny Manziel, base rookie card. We got a Ryan Shazier for the Steelers, base rookie card. Chris Smith, base rookie. And then we got the black non-foiled Eric Ebron, black non-foiled Tommy Reese, black non-foiled Greg Robinson, and then the black non-foil, Dion Bailey, excuse me, rookie. Then we got some base. We got Percy, Michael Floyd, Demarius Thomas. Move this way a little bit. Then we got a Frank Gore, Jake Locker, Russell Wilson, Jason Pierre-Paul, and I think here comes the first autograph of all the packs. It's an Aaron Murray. Looks like a non-numbered auto. Yep. Aaron Murray for the Chiefs, right? Yeah, Aaron Murray got drafted by the Chiefs, which the Chiefs are, pretty sure the Chiefs went unclaimed on that break, so that's a house card. Let me get that in the case real quick. So first one was a Aaron Murray non-numbered auto for the Chiefs, which is a house card because nobody had the Chiefs. So far we got the luck and the Murray for the hits. Got 3 packs and 3 autographs left. We have a Allen Robinson, Taylor Hart, Cyrus Quangio, Scott Crichton, Craig Loston, Paul Richardson, Seahawks rookie, Jason Verrett, that's Chargers rookie, Morgan Breslin, San Francisco. Then we got the black parallel rookie of McCarron, which we just pulled the auto of. Oh no, excuse me, we didn't pull the auto of McCarron, we pulled one of Murray. Then we got the George Atkinson black rookie, Deion Buchanan, black parallel, Steven Tuitt, black parallel. Then we got our base cards. We got a Alfred Morris, DeMarco Murray, Vernon Davis, Des Bryant, Larry Fitz, Torrey Smith, Antonio Brown. Oh, we got a redemption. Who's it for? That goes to the Jets. It's a redemption for Jason Morrow. And the Jets were unclaimed. This just says NFL Bowman autograph, so I just think I might be a non-numbered autograph. Might not be, I'm not sure. But that was a hit there that went to the Jets, which were unclaimed. Then we had a Ladarius Perkins black foil rookie. Another Mike Wall. Oh, this one's blue, actually. I thought it was going to be a black one. It's blue. Mike Wallace, 95. I don't know if it's going to 95 out of 99 on that Mike Wallace there, which was Miami, which was David H. That's a David H. card. I'll put that right there with the other foils. We got number 3 mini, Logan Thomas. Yes, Logan Thomas mini. We got Tyler Eifert. Tyler Eifert and the Charles Clay. Oh, I guess I didn't show the rest of this one. It was next in line, Taj Boyd, black foil. And then a T.Y. Hilton next in line, black foil. Oops. Excuse me. Then we had, is that Cooks? Nope. Jarvis Landry, mini. Torrey Smith and Antonio Brown, just base cards. Just a base card. So far on the hits, we have the Jets, the Chiefs, and the Colts. Two packs, two autos. Let's see something nice. Come on, guys. We have a Marion Grice, just the base rookie. Derek Carr, base rookie. Christian Jones, Will Sutton, Antoine Exum, Mike Davis, Mike Evans, Jackson Jeffcoat. Oh, well, we got a Dolphins card here, Jarvis Landry. Dolphins was David H., which this one was out of, 2 out of 399, almost the first one. I don't know if that's going to focus. I always have a hard time. I have to show you upside down on this one. I can't even show you, but yeah, that's 2 out of 399 for the Dolphins. And then we had a Michael Sam, Silas Reed, Stephen Tuitt, and then I want to say these are all base cards. Marlon Brown, Mike Wallace, J.J. Watt, Colin Kaepernick, Willis, Peterson, Trent Richardson. Oh, this might have been a hot box. Rookie chrome autograph, D'Anthony Thomas. Oh, so now number D'Anthony Thomas. He plays for the Chiefs, which that was also the Aaron Murray hit went to the Chiefs, and they were unclaimed. Oops. So far, the Chiefs are doing the best out of all the hits. They've got 2 autograph rookies so far. Alright, the rest of this pack is right here. We got Brandon Coleman, Brandon Coleman out of 499, which is the blue. Brandon Coleman. Next in line, DeAndre Hopkins. That should just be a black foil. Yep. Then we got our mini. Is Damian Williams for the Dolphins. And then we got Matt Ryan and Peyton Manning. Those are the black parallel base cards there. We got a Trent Richardson, Adrian Peterson, Patrick Willis, Colin Kaepernick, J.J. Watt, Mike Wallace, and Marlon Brown. That was that for that pack. We'll go ahead and take these base cards and set them next to that pack there. Alright, last pack. Hopefully we got a spectacular, amazing hit in here. Alright, good luck everybody. This is the last pack of the box. We got a James Wilder Jr., Bishop Sankey, Teddy Bridgewater, Lucius Purifoy, Ed Stinson, Clinton Dix, Antonio Andrews, Jan Smallwood. Then we have C.J. Fedoroka, something like that. Black base. Rookie, oh, that's a rookie though. So, there you go. Over here with the rookie. We got a Damian Williams rookie black parallel. King Carey rookie black parallel. Taylor Lewin rookie black parallel. Then we got a Spiller base, Eifert base, Charles Clay base, Jordy Nelson base, Cecil Shorts base, Pierre Garcon base, Alshon Jeffrey base, and the last hit of the box, we have an autograph card of Lucius Purifoy, which is, oh, nice. Pretty nice there. It's a red one. That's out of 25. He plays for, I just said his name. He plays for the Colts. So that's another hit for the Colts, which was Matthew B. Congratulations on that, Matthew B. I'm going to set this here right quick. We got Anthony Johnson, foil. Marlon Brown foil. We had a mini here. It was, looked like Kenny Vaccaro. It is Cody Hoffman. Little mini there. And then we had a Pierre Garcon and was that Alshon Jeffrey? That was that. So, let me put these with these other ones here. And with these here. Those are the base. That's the base pile right here. Over here we had some numbered cards, which we had a Brandon Coleman for the Saints out of 499. That's going to go to Anthony O. We had a Jarvis Landry out of 399. That's going to go to David H. Mike Wallace out of 95 out of 99. That's Miami against. That's David H. We had Xavier Gamble for the New York Giants, which was Jesse W. That's a Chiefs insert there. Then we had a 20 out of 99 Adrian Hubbard for the Packers. Then we had like the Silver Ice parallel or something, Lewis Nix, which isn't numbered. We had the Geno Smith die cut card. And then we had a Zach Mettenberger out of 499. That's for the Titans there. Nobody had the Titans. We had a Aaron Rodgers, the little die cut card for the Packers, not numbered. And then we had a Teddy Bridgewater red. It's not the foil red, but it's the red, and it's out of. It's actually pretty cool because it's. I don't know if I can get that to focus. It's $199 out of. Oh, it's wrong way. It's $199 out of $199. So yeah, that kind of show. $199 out of $199. Oh, Teddy Bridgewater. And then that was the like numbered and die cut and insert cards. And then we had the Lou T's Purefoy, which went to the Colts. And that was Matthew B had the Colts. That's gonna go out to Matthew B. Then we had the Anthony Thomas, which was the Chiefs. Oops. And we had a man, what's up with my camera? Anthony Thomas, which is the Chiefs. Chrome Auto. Then we had the Jason Morrow, which is a redemption. Gotta scratch that off. That was for the Jets. The Jets and the Chiefs were unclaimed, so those two hits are for the house. Another Chiefs card, which is Aaron Murray. And then the other hit was the Andrew Luck jersey card, which I don't think, yeah, it's not numbered, but it's still nice. It's Andrew Luck. So that was the hits for the bowman break tonight.